A Tesla Cybertruck pickup truck was overturned and destroyed after a serious crash near Toluca Airport, Mexico. The driver, a woman in her 30s, lost control of the vehicle while taking a curve near a junction, overturned, ending up with her wheels upside down in a field. The woman suffered minor injuries. Police officers also intervened to lift the truck and remove it from the fields, where it remained stranded. The onlookers who witnessed the incident say the driver lost control while taking a curve at high speed, leaving the road and falling into a cornfield at the side of the road. The Cybertruck, with its imposing steel structure and considerable weight, rolled over several times. In Mexico, of the 9 indestructible Cybertrucks that existed, there are now only 4 left.